Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the lives of influential personalities. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the lifestyle and earning sources of one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Jeff Bezos. As the founder of Amazon and a pioneer in the e-commerce industry, Bezos has captured the imagination of millions worldwide. Join us as we explore the key aspects of his life, including his daily routine, hobbies, philanthropic endeavors, and the sources of his vast wealth. Jeff Bezos was born on January 12, 1964, in Albuquerque, New Mexico. From a young age, he displayed a keen interest in technology and entrepreneurship. After graduating from Princeton University with degrees in computer science and electrical engineering, Bezos ventured into various endeavors before establishing Amazon in 1994. Initially an online bookstore, Amazon has since evolved into a global e-commerce giant and diversified into numerous other industries, including cloud computing, entertainment, and artificial intelligence. Despite his immense success, Jeff Bezos maintains a disciplined daily routine. He typically starts his day early, focusing on personal well-being through activities like exercise and meditation. Bezos emphasizes the importance of getting sufficient sleep and dedicates time to family before diving into his professional commitments. As the CEO of Amazon at the time of this writing, Bezos ensures he stays engaged with the company's strategic decisions and long-term vision. Bezos enjoys a luxurious lifestyle befitting his status as one of the richest individuals in the world. He owns several properties, including a lavish mansion in Medina, Washington, and a sprawling estate in Beverly Hills. Bezos is also known for his interest in space exploration through his aerospace company, Blue Origin, and his purchase of the Washington Post, a prominent American newspaper. Jeff Bezos is committed to making a positive impact through philanthropy. In 2018, he launched the Bezos Day One Fund, with a focus on funding organizations that support homeless families and establishing preschools in underserved communities. He pledged $2 billion as an initial commitment to the fund. Additionally, Bezos signed the Giving Pledge, a commitment by billionaires to donate the majority of their wealth to charitable causes. Jeff Bezos' primary source of wealth is his significant ownership stake in Amazon. As the company's founder, Bezos held a substantial number of shares, which translated into immense wealth as Amazon's valuation soared. He has consistently focused on the long-term growth of Amazon, diversifying its offerings and expanding into new markets. Bezos' ability to foresee industry trends and adapt has been instrumental in the company's success. Apart from Amazon, Bezos has other significant earning sources. He receives income from his investments in various ventures, including Blue Origin, which aims to revolutionize space travel and exploration. Bezos' ownership of the Washington Post contributes to his income, and the newspaper's digital subscriptions have been growing steadily in recent years. Beyond his professional commitments, Jeff Bezos has a range of hobbies and interests. He is an avid reader and has expressed a deep love for books, which played a pivotal role in the founding of Amazon. Bezos also has an enthusiasm for space exploration, and his passion led to the establishment of Blue Origin. Additionally, he has shown an interest in philanthropy, art, and conservation efforts. Jeff Bezos' remarkable journey from a modest background to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals is a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit and business acumen. Through Amazon, he revolutionized the e-commerce industry and created a global empire. Bezos' dedication to philanthropy, space exploration, and diverse interests showcases his multifaceted nature. His disciplined daily routine and luxurious lifestyle exemplify the rewards of his hard work and vision. As we wrap up this video, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the life and earning sources of Jeff Bezos, inspiring you to pursue your dreams and make a positive impact in your own endeavors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.